right, ready? Ha ha ha! Yeah! Alright, cool. Y'all extra. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some more Chaser content for you. And as promised, FDF, baby. Got the package. So, today's video, we will be doing some, what we doing? FDF stuff. Let's go. Come on. We got a fresh box. Actually, before I show you guys this stuff, make sure y'all go on FDF website and buy all your drift products, and make sure you buy merch on the LeeBird website. It's not LeeBird, it's monsterperformanceinc.com. Let's go. So, anyways, the boys at FDF, you know, I had to hit them up, and I was like, yo, we got a Chaser and we need some FDF angle on it before I buy a wide swap. So they hit me up. Now we have FDF. I don't know, they're supposed to send me some E92 stuff. I haven't opened it yet. So if we open it and it has E92 stuff, y'all know why. Okay, so it's supposed to be both. But I really think this is the stuff for the Chaser. So this looks like a little control arm. And we'll open it here in a second. I'll just pull everything out. This looks like a knuckle. This looks like a bunch of joints. And another knuckle. And top hats. And more top hats. And another little control arm. So I think this is the mild kit. I don't think this is the mini. I told them I wanted little control arms because we're gonna put big wheels on there. And then of course we got these, look like the tie rods with the bolts and stuff. And then the shirt, which I'm already wearing. So yeah. And then they give me a little note on here that says send it. Team FDF, baby. Let's go. We're gonna send the Chaser. But we're not gonna damage the paint. We're not gonna hot boy it like the hot boy. Nah, we're probably gonna hot boy it. But Haitian's not allowed to drive with me. The second video I'm saying this. Haitian's not allowed to drive with me. If y'all see me driving with Haitian,
Yep.
So now we get the car from over there. We're gonna bring it over here, put it on the lift. We're gonna open up all these packages and we're gonna install it tonight and try to make a U-turn or something. Alright guys, so before we move the car, I wanna update you guys on the bumper. My dog Chase over here giving me what I want. Check this out. So the reason the rear bumper wasn't painted is because I was being a little bit picky and I wanted a custom rear bumper. So Chase said, sure, you can have a custom rear bumper. So we had to wait. So what we're doing is these Origin Labs overs came with like some add-ons for the bumper, and they never fit good, or people just leave them out and they have the fender hanging over. Wasn't happening with me, okay? I wanted a custom, okay? You know what I'm saying? So we put it on here, we chop piece out here, he glass it on here, so it's gonna be drying. So y'all gonna see this in this video, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be red eventually. Probably like another day or two. But yeah, look at how it fits. Show it to them. Show it to them. Nah, come from back here. Come from back here. Show it to them. Show them how that. Yeah. See that nice arch? That really nice arch? That's what you wanted. And we got some new wheels that we're gonna try on it that possibly might end up on the car. You guys can call me whatever. I like it. It's some three-piece Johnnies, right? We're gonna try them on there and see. So let me move this thing over there and let's get to work. Alright, so we had a little misunderstanding. I forgot that it was supposed to send me a kit to test on the E90. I mean the E92, sorry, the E92, the comp car. So yeah, big sad boy here. So we loaded the car in here for nothing, but shout out to FDF for still sending one of the kits, right? The other one's on the way. I just got a little excited. I should have opened the box before we started the video. So anyways, FDF sent me an updated kit for the E92 drift car. So look out for the video for that. We'll continue this video when the right parts come in. All right, cool. All right, boom. The right package is here now. So before we pull the car in, this time we're gonna actually open the FDF box because I'm not as excited as I was the first time. Psych! So let's see what we got. The JZX100 is getting the full FDF package. Like when I say full, the full. Every arm they have for that car, I got it. So that looks like a control arm. I mean, upper control arm. Wheel hub adapters. We'll open it here soon. I just want to get through this. This looks like another wheel hub adapter. I hope I didn't get the 350Z one, because then that would suck. I told him I might want to convert. I don't know yet. We'll see. Power parts, more parts. Where's the low control arms? We got toe end links. I think it's for the rear. Cam arm. Oh no, I actually got the lower control arm. The JZX. In the rear, this is the front. Looks like it. At least it looks like it, right? And this one. And that one. Damn, no note this time. Ethan is slacking, bro. If you watch this, Ethan, where my note at, man? I like when you put send it on there, you know? What's this? More FDF stuff. Damn, this is a lot of parts. This might have to be a three-piece video, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that's it. And a whole bunch of Canadian, what do these things called?
Is it packing peanuts? Or
just make sure.
Yeah, packing peanuts.
You would know your fat self, huh? Packing peanuts.
Sorry, you don't know lentil peas.
Huh?
I'm sorry, you don't know lentil peas.
Hey, this actually could look like lentil peas. Oh, damn, not good. Alright, so now that we have the right parts, we can bring the car in and we'll start installing. Alright, so if you guys haven't seen, we got the back bumper on finally. Come on, you gotta show them the back bumper, man. Look, we got the back bumper on finally. Chase finally got it done. He got it right, exactly what I wanted. I wanted to mold the little piece that goes on here. You probably put a picture of it or something, so it can flow nicely. And then we did some black at the bottom of the bumper where the diffuser is, but we didn't paint all the fins, which I think looks. Take this thing inside. Wrong side of the car. Wrong side of the car. Right here. So we got all the wheels off and we did one side without y'all so we can know what we're doing so we don't look like idiots. You guys should try it. Anyways, so what we have left over here is this is an arm. This is the rear low control arm, and where's the extension? Where's the extension piece? So this really just extends the stock low control arm because this is the mile kit, so it gives it a couple more inches, right? And it pushes the wheel out quite a bit, but this kit's actually really easy to install. Everything just bolts together with the new bolts they give you. I don't think you use any of the old bolts. You just use like the old bracket on it. So we'll do the side and you guys can see how it goes. It's pretty easy. You can leave the coil over in the car and everything. This is actually simpler than 241. Let's go. Hi guys, so as you see here, Chase, the painter, the parts installer, you know, at nighttime. So he out here helping me in the Chaser. He's gonna do the rear, I'll do the front. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna go. So he might start buffing and stuff in the video, just ignore it. All right, cool. So this plate you're gonna be reusing, so you know, don't throw it away. It's pretty straightforward. Two 14 mils right here, 17 in the middle, and then two 19s here, and that's the curve arm with the caster adjustment. That's pretty easy. And what I learned is loosen this just enough, and then this arm can swing down off of the knuckle, so it's easy for you to get the old coilover bracket off and the sway bar out and stuff like that. So we'll do that now. Everything will be off nice and easy. And oh, don't forget to take off the ABS speed sensor. You're gonna rip it. And it's not gonna fit, so you can't put it back in with the bracket on the coilover. You gotta kind of adjust the bracket, because then it wouldn't be long enough. It's probably gonna rip. But who needs ABS anyways? We're drifting. Give you guys a little tip. Don't tighten this one or catch this one first. Just kind of put it in there. And catch the Allens first, because if you don't, then the Allens will never really go in and you'll wonder if you have the wrong bolt. Which you don't, it's just the angle that it is. It's way easier to catch the Allens. Make sure you catch a few threads. And like that, nice and easy. Just spinning nice and easy because no impact on these. And then you can bolt this one into the caliper. Send this one out. After you catch everything, you come into the impact. Lee foot-pounds of torque is what that was. Nice and tight. Then tighten up the Allens and you're good to go. Then we can continue on.
So, taking these off, we did the lower control arm first. Then we did this toe arm. It was a little bit easier. And then we went on this traction arm. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, if you did this one first, this one second, this one third, you can pop this off. And this joint, and it's a little bit easier for you.
Difference in the step in the arm. So like it goes like that. Then you gotta push it back a little bit. There we go. To get these in and out, we had to loosen the coilover and let the whole suspension droop so we can get the 14 mil bolts out and catch them in before we put everything back together. I kind of eyed camber a little bit and extended it because it looks like every time you're probably gonna have to at least pull it out to get it on there. So I'll use that and the bolt at the bottom and the low control arm on the inside, the eccentric, to try to get camber right. Alright, so the kit's fully on. We still gotta align it, but we put the wheels on, kind of eyeball it so we can at least bring it down and show you guys. But if you look already, the fitment's gonna be, oh, don't worry about the monster truckness. Hopefully it's really not this high. But I know I'm gonna run a smaller tire, sidewall profile wise, because on Hot Boy when I did it, 225/40 was too tall with 18. So I already know I'm gonna have to go to the 35 series 225 and it'll be good. But so far, so good. It's gonna look like a monster truck. I can see it already. So. Oh, it's all the fucking fender. Your side is? Yeah. My side isn't.
That's gangster as well.
Oh, you mean the fitment? Yeah. No, the tire's too big though.
Oh yeah.
The tire's way too big.
You're definitely not driving that.
No, I knew the tire's too big. Off rip, I know the tire's
You gotta put some stock boys on there.
Yeah, no, it just needs a smaller tire.
Well, that
225. Not the end of the video, but it's the end of the night. I gotta try to source some 225/35 18s tomorrow. So hopefully we can get it to the alignment rack. Then we're gonna change the tire size in the back also. I'm gonna go from a 265/35 18 to a 255/35 18 so we can get that fitment that I want. So we'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we can align it and get some driving done and get this fitment. Thanks, FDF. All right, cool. So we got new tires on the Chaser, and the Chaser's finally off the lift. You're gonna see I took the kit off because now it's time to go get alignment. We have an alignment rack right down the street from a shop, and he lets us do my cars. So I'm gonna take this car down there and align it real quick. Then we're gonna throw the kit on, and then the Chasers will finally be in its final form. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. we just got done with the back. As you can see, they're all in the green. I choose to have 0.5 in the rear for camber just because this car is going to be mostly street drifting. If I was going to just straight up drift it, I'd probably go positive or 0. There's no really toe there. So we're done in the back. It was a pain, but yo, FDF, appreciate y'all, because if I didn't have all those arms, no way you can get this done with stock arms. So make sure y'all go get y'all FDF arms. Plug the link. All right, so this was the front. The front was pretty bad. It took a good bit of work. I think we put about an hour into it. We got as close as possible as can be. I'm running 6.5 camber in the front and about 6 degrees caster, and obviously no toe. We should be good. Everything's in the green pretty much besides the camber, because unless we change the spec here, you know, whatever. This is saying factory spec should be 1 degree. We're not running that.
Yo, don't forget to drop in the comments happy birthday to Lee. When this video drops, it's Lee's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday.
Alright guys, this is the Chaser's final form. It's off the alignment. It's back on all 4 wheels. The full kit's on. It's ready to be driven on the street. Just want to say shout out to FDF, hooking your boy up with all the arms and the kit in the front. Car can steer now. I can't wait till we go drifting in it. I'm gonna try not to damage it, I know. But yeah, it's a little high, right? Because where I started and where I'm at after the alignment's a little high, but hey, that'll make it useful. And that'll make me not destroy the kit. So we'll leave it there for now, and I'll see you guys later.